Welcome to Oracle HCM Cloud. We are seeing lots of features here. Now we'll see Me tab for the functionalities. Also, there are many options. Let's check the personal info page. We are seeing the information about Casey Brown. And we'll check personal details. Let's wait for the page load. Here name, demographic information, national identifiers, biographical information are showing. We'll go back to check others. Let's see the contact info. Here work phone, work email, address info is showing. Let's go forward to see other options. Again we will see the employment information page. Here assignment info, managers info are showing. We'll go back to check others. Also, we are returning from the personal info page. We are now on the home page. We are seeing lots of options here to deal with personnel management. We can see My Team options. We will able to see My Team information here with onboarding, hiring information. Also, promote, transfer, create job requisitions are listed. We can see the other options also. Let's go forward with the My Client Group tab. Here hire an employee, change working hours, change the assignment, change manager, termination, transfer, and other options showing. Now we are navigating to the Hire an Employee page. Here we will get the option to fill in the basic information of a new employee. So communication info, addresses, salary, manager's information is selected. We could select other options like passport info, citizenship info, driver's licenses, payroll details, visas and permits, family and emergency contacts, work relationship info etc. But now we are moving forward. Let's continue. An entry page appeared. We'll fill legal employers here from a list of employees. Then hire, then the reason for hiring. Again continue. Here the person number will be generated automatically. We'll fill title of the employee. We will set the name. Let us assume that name of the employee is Tanim Hussain, so the first name is Tanim, that is good name we are working with. Let us fill up the middle name. Sorry, and we will left the middle name blank to make the task easier, and in the last name is let us assume that Hussain, we will keep suffix and alias name blank for the first time. So naming task is done. Then we will fill gender is male. Now we will set the date of birth. Here we are getting the year range from 2020 to 2029. So we are moving backward to select the decade range 1980 to 1989, and we select year 1981. Then we will select the month, and at last, we will select the date. So the date is December 30th, 1981. We will select the country name, Bangladesh. Here data may show from the browser's data. At last Bangladesh is selected. Then we will set a national identifier based on the country name. National ID is given. Then we will press continue. We will set communication now. We are setting a phone number now. Type is selected as a work phone. The country is selected in Bangladesh. We will keep the area code blank as area code is not for Bangladesh, and we will fill phone number. This work phone is set as primary contact number. Then we will select the work email and enter the email in the appropriate format. Let's say the email is xyz@abc.com. This email is primary. Then again continue. Now we will set the address. At first we have to select the country name because based on country name the fields of address changes. Here are some mandatory fields. We cannot proceed before we fill up the fields. We are setting type of address as home address. Then address line 1. We are getting data from browser. So test data is given. We will left address line 2 and address line 3 blank. And DACA is typed for city name. Then we will press continue. Then we will move to the employment details page. We will set business unit, that is the company name. We will get a wide range of job. Here name of the job, code and job family is showing. Here we will be able to select appropriate job from the list. We will left most of the fields as blank. The last field full-time or part-time is selected. The server is taking lots of time. Sometimes it happens that the cloud server takes time. So we must wait for this. By the way, all the data is saved in the steps completed before, So we will be able to retrieve all information. Then we will get the manager's field filled up based on designation. Here the manager is Casey Brown. Then we will continue. We will get the salary information. We are setting salary basis and salary amount. The salary currency is Indian rupees. New salary is showing. We will press submit. There is an error. Salary basis should be selected as Indian annual salary basis is selected. Then we will submit to save all data and we will get the employee generated in the backend. Here also takes some time to save all the data. However, one employee isn't tried into system. So we have saved 5 basic information step based on the selection is the first page. Then we will be forwarded to the first page. Let's click on the link change working hours. We are seeing information of the new and tried employee Tanim Hussain. We can select Tanim Hussain to do something. There are some options like salary compensation. Let's go back again in the home page. We will be able to click option transfer. The employee Tanim Hussain is showing. We can select Tanim Hussain to do something. Here is also 3 options. We are selecting 3 options: managers, direct reports, comments and attachments. Then we will click continue. A page when and why is appeared. Here we are selecting some data to do some transaction. We are pressing continue. However, an error is showing. Perhaps the error is critical. We could solve the error, but for this time we will left the page as it was previously. This is a short video on Oracle HCM. Thanks a lot for watching the video.